I've shared my screen. It's visible, right?
Yes,
Both
ma'am.
of you, Swati and Sanjit? All right.
Yes, it's visible.
Okay, fine. So this is lesson plan 3. Last class we finished, right? We finished lesson plan 2, right, in the last class? Or do we have anything pending in that?
Example 1 we have seen example 2.
Yes, ma'am.
We have to do something, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, I thought we finished. 1 second, 1 second. Yeah, which one are we supposed to do?
And we complete.
This one, ma'am.
Only this one, huh? Only example 1 we have to do, right?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much. Yeah. All right, children. So look at this one. So as I told you, this is your textbook. I told you I'm presenting your textbook, your XSEED textbook, the questions in your XSEED textbook, and the questions in your workbook.
Yes, ma'am.
That is what you're seeing on the screen. All right. So see here, simplify. Children, kindly disable your mic. Enable it only when you want to say something, children. Yeah. So simplify this expression. This is an expression. This one is an expression. Simplify this expression and find its value for each given value of the variable. Okay. We'll understand what the question means. First, we'll simplify this one. So this is the expression given. This is the expression given. Okay, simplify this. So how do you simplify 5D into 2D? 5D into 2D. 5 2s are 10, D into D, D square. Then 5D into 5. 5D into 5. 5 into 5, 25D. And then this minus 7 as it is. See, remember, you should not multiply minus 7 with 5D. 5D is not multiplied with minus 7 because minus 7 is not in the bracket. It's outside the bracket. Minus 7 is outside the bracket. This 5D is to be multiplied with everything inside the bracket. So 5D into 2D is 10D square. 5D into 5 is 25D. Minus 7 outside. So we have simplified. There are no like terms to simplify further. This is D square, this is D, and this is a constant. So nothing further can be done. Now find its value for each given value of the variable. So see here, D is 5. So substituting D is equal to 5, we get. In place of D, use 5 because it's given D is 5. So 10 into 5 squared plus 25 into 5 minus 7. So 5 squared is 25. See, it's not 10 5 the 50. You should not do that. You must square it first. 5 squared 25 into 10, 25 into 10, 250. Then 25 into 5, 125 minus 7, which is 368. And here the simplification is the same. But when D is 0.2, you get 10 into 0.2 the whole square plus 25 into 0.2 minus 7. So how do you simplify this? 0.2 into 0.2. 2 2s are 4. But after the decimal point, there should be 2 digits. Here, 1, 2, 2 digits. So it will be 0.04. What is 0.2 into 0.2? 2 2s are 4. Now there are 2 decimal places. After the decimal point, there should be 2 digits. But there's only 1 here. So 0.04. 0.04. This one is 0.04 into 10. 0.04 into 10. So the decimal point will shift here. 0.4. 0.4. And when you multiply these two, you get 5 minus 7. So you know how to simplify this. 5 minus 7 is minus 2. Minus 2 and 0.4. Minus 2 and 0.4, 0.4. So different signs you should subtract. -2 and 0.4 plus 0.4. Okay, different sign. So you need to subtract. How do you subtract? 1 and this becomes 10. 10 minus 4 is 6 and 1 as it is 0. And put the sign as a greater number, minus 1.6. How do you subtract 2 and 0.4? 2 and 0.4. So 2 means 2.0 and 0.4 like this. This is negative, this positive. So you should subtract 10 minus 4, 6 and 1, 1.6 minus 1.6. Got it, children?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Any questions? Please ask me.
No.
No doubts, ma'am.
All right. Yeah. So now you're going to multiply. You're going to learn how to multiply a binomial. In the first one, multiplying a binomial. 2 terms, binomial. 3 terms, trinomial. 3 terms, trinomial. This is a trinomial, 3 terms. Trinomial, 3 terms. So let's see how to multiply them. Tell you the first one. See here. We have 2a plus 3b into 3a square plus 4ab minus 5b square. Listen carefully. So we need to use a distributive property. We need to use a distributive property to multiply. So take the first term 2a. Take the first term 2a. Multiply that by the second bracket. 3a square plus 4ab minus 5b square. Then take the second term plus 3b. Should continue writing here. I don't have place, so I'll write here plus 3b. And multiply that with the second bracket 3a square plus 4ab plus minus 5b squared. So it's basically this one. 2a, the first term here into the second bracket. The second term here into the second bracket. So see here. See here. The first term 2a multiplied by the second bracket. Then this plus 3b multiplied by the second bracket. So this is how, this is using the distributive property. Now perform the multiplication. Multiply these two. 2 3s are 6. A into a square is a cubed. 2a into 4ab. See, what are we doing next? We have to multiply 2a into 3a square, 2a into 4ab, 2a into minus 5b square. 3b into 3a square, 3b into 4ab, 3b into minus 5b square. So see here 6a cube. No, I think I've told my part I've done. Now you check, children, see if you understand the products, and then you will have to simplify the like terms. Like there's an a square b here and a square b here, simplify. Ab square and ab square, so simplify that. And then this a cube term and b cube term comes as it is. Yeah, please go through and tell me if you understand. So next class, you'll take a test on this chapter, block 14. And it will not be anything from your textbook. But you practice only these. You practice whatever you've understood in school and whatever we have done here in the class. Have you both filled the Google form? Sanjit and Swati?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Swati?
No, ma'am. No, my mother thought that since I was an old student, there's no need to fill it for me.
Oh, please
Because she
fill it
called
now.
you.
Sorry?
Ma'am, she called you that day, no, ma'am. She thought that that form is only for old students and not for the one who joined new.
that means I already have your ID. I think I would have checked it. Okay. Oh, you already have you have your credentials, no, for the portal?
Yes, ma'am, I have it.
Yeah. That's a reason of told. Okay, fine. Yeah.
I
How
didn't.
about,
I will fill it tomorrow.
okay, Sanjay. Okay.
Ma'am, the recording of this chapter, where will it be posted, ma'am, in the playlist?
I've sent, no? I sent the link. You didn't notice? I sent the recording, no? Yesterday morning, I think I sent. No, day before yesterday morning, I've sent.
Yes, ma'am, probably sent to my mother's son.
No. I have both your numbers.
Then I'll check it, ma'am.
Yeah. Your number is 97897-75880, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. I've sent it. Yeah. All right. Yeah, children, please go through the multiplication. I told you it's like this. Yeah. And then we need to simplify the like terms. Now tell me, are these like terms minus 10? Are they like terms?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Because a square b square is the same as b square a square.
Yes,
See, it's a
ma'am.
product actually. It's a product, no? What is the meaning of this? It's minus 10 into a square into b square. That's the meaning. When we say minus 10 a square b square, it's minus 10 into a square into b square. Minus 8 into b square into a square. Somebody's mic is enabled. Please disable your mic. So there's nothing but minus 8 into a square into b square. It's a product. So b square a square is the same as a square b square. So they are like terms. Understood this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah, go through this and Swati will, no, Sanjit will explain the first step. Go through this. So it's basically multiplying a trinomial, 3 terms into 3 terms. Yes, Sanjit, go through the first step and tell me what you understand.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, they took the first bracket. So they multiplied 5x into 6x, ma'am. And then 3y, ma'am, and then minus 3, ma'am. They had multiplied 5x into 3 terms, ma'am, and then next they have multiplied 11y into
Plus
6.
11y. Plus
Yes, ma'am.
11y.
Plus 11y into 6y plus 3y minus 3, ma'am, and then plus 2 they have multiplied to 6y plus 3
6x.
6x plus 3y and minus 3, ma'am.
Very good. After that, tell me the
After,
second step.
yes, ma'am. They multiplied, ma'am. So they have got the 5 into 6, 30x square, ma'am.
Very good. 5 into 6, 30. X into x is x square.
Yes, ma'am.
Then
So next step, the 5x into 3y, ma'am. So the 5 into 3, 15, ma'am, and xy, ma'am.
excellent. Very good.
Plus 15 xy, ma'am. And then
Okay.
next 5x into minus 3, ma'am. So higher number sign is minus plus into minus minus, ma'am. So minus 5 into 3, 15, ma'am. So 15 x, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. So Swati also knows this, I'm sure. So that's how we multiply, children. And then once you open up the brackets, once you multiply like this and then open up the brackets, you should look for like terms. Look for
Yes,
like terms and simplify. And see, when you multiply, I always write in the alphabetical order. See, like when I multiply 11y and 6x, I'll not write 66yx. I'll always write the letters in the order. I'll write 66xy only. Both are the same. 66yx, 66xy, both are the same. But I like to write the algebraic factors in the alphabetical order. So I'll always write xy. Like if it is B into A, no? BA, no, I'll write AB. So please, you also do that. Yeah, now go through the answer and tell me if you understand.
Understood, ma'am.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. So see here we need to multiply this one, that is this binomial with this trinomial. And then you need to multiply this binomial with this monomial. And then this one is free. This is free, plus 4a square. There are two terms here. There are three terms here. So you need to multiply this binomial with this trinomial. Then plus. You need to multiply these two terms, binomial, with this monomial, s. So, Swati, tell me the first step.
And the first step is to apply the distributive property, ma'am.
Yeah. Is equal to?
Ma'am, and then we have to multiply each term with.
Tell me. Yeah, no, what will you write in your book? Tell me, I'll write it here.
First we will multiply s plus t into s plus t. S
Okay,
into
darling,
s
but what
plus
will you
t
write?
plus u.
S into?
S plus t plus u, ma'am.
Okay, then?
And then plus t into s plus t plus u, ma'am.
Okay, then? You can put this s in the front. S into u plus t, write it like that.
Yes, ma'am.
You can put the s in the front. S into u plus t. Plus?
Ma'am, plus s into 4s square.
No. That s only I've taken it here.
Ma'am, but there is another s after
Why?
u plus t.
Where? Plus 4s square.
And before that, there is another s that is being multiplied with u plus t, ma'am.
Yeah, that's what I put here. This s, no. This is I removed from here and I put it here.
Yes, ma'am.
No. Just watch and tell me. Sanjit?
Ma'am?
Yeah, tell me, is this correct?
Yes,
I've just
ma'am.
taken, no, this
Yes,
s from here,
ma'am.
I'm just putting it here in the front.
Yes, ma'am.
Swati?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, and then s square
Ah,
plus st
yeah,
plus us
yeah.
plus ts or st
No, st.
plus t square
Okay.
plus ut.
Tu, no?
I mean the alphabetical order.
Yeah. Stu.
Plus su or us, ma'am.
Which will come first actually? Stu. S will come first, right? Yeah. Su. Plus Su. Plus
St, ma'am.
St. Plus.
4s square.
Correct. Then we just have to simplify the like terms. See the answer here? See, Sanjit, in the regular classes, you will be made to write in the class. Now, since this class is only for 1 hour, I'm not allowing you to write. Otherwise, we will be writing down during the session. We'll be writing down. We always write. But since the class is only for 1 hour and both of you following, Swati has already learned this chapter here. Since you're following easily, I'm just going ahead. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm not giving you time to write. Maybe you can take screenshots. If you want to, you can just take screenshots.
Yes, ma'am.
But this is in your textbook only. This example, yeah, all these, yeah, these are examples. No, you have it in your textbook. Understood this, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sanjit, what is x to the power 4 into x to the power 4?
Ma'am, x power 8, ma'am.
So you should add the powers, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
What is
Same
x to the
base,
power?
ma'am.
Yeah.
Same base. We should add the power, ma'am. Same base. If we multiply, we should add the power, ma'am. Same base. If we divide, we will subtract the power, ma'am.
Subtract the powers. Very good. What is this one? What's the value of this?
Ma'am, we will multiply 7 into 3, ma'am. So we will get 21, ma'am.
X to the power 21. Okay, so you know the rules. No problem. Okay, let me just check how much. So now I think both of you are sure about multiplication. I'll just get another book. 1 second. Yes, children, multiply this and tell me the result. Tell me the result once you get it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah, got it?
I'm last.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Finished dinner, both of you?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Sanjay?
Doing. No, ma'am. Last.
Oh. Yeah. No, no, no. I asked if you finished dinner.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Whoever gets the answer can tell me. Done, children?
Doing, ma'am.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
What's the result?
Ma'am, x cubed plus y cubed plus z cubed minus 3xyz minus Z square X, ma'am.
That Z squared X is incorrect. Read the first part again.
Ma'am, X cube plus Y cube plus Z cube minus 3XYZ.
That's all is the answer. That's all is the
Yes,
answer.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Forgot to cancel the X, Z square and Z square X.
Okay. So, Sanjit, you should work this and get the answer. X cubed plus Y cubed plus Z cubed minus 3XYZ. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me how did we start? X into the second bracket, correct? Plus Y into the second bracket. Plus Z into the second bracket, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Try, Sanjay. You should get X cube plus Y cube plus Z cube minus 3XYZ. That's all. Only 4 terms you'll get. All the others will get cancelled. See, when you're multiplying, this expression which has 3 terms, trinomial, with this expression which has 6 terms. Okay, this is a polynomial. It has 6 terms. This one has 3 terms. So when you multiply, in all you'll get 18 terms. When you multiply, you'll get 18 terms because 3 terms in the first bracket, 6 terms in the second bracket. So when you multiply, you'll get 3, 6 are 18 terms. And then simplifying the like terms and all that, you will have only X cube plus Y cube plus Z cube minus 3X with it. The others gets cancelled because there are two. There you will find 2 terms having different signs. You can cancel them. All right.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, say this is true or false. This one, children. This is the first one. Work this one. Work this and tell me if it's true or false. Simple one. Say if it's true or false, children.
False, ma'am.
Okay, Sanjit says false. What's your answer, Sanjit?
Yes, ma'am.
What about Swati? Correct or wrong?
Ma'am, it is correct, ma'am.
It is correct, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
How do we multiply? So you'll have to find a product. So you'll have to multiply 15 mn plus 6 kl into 15 mn plus 6 kl into 15 kl minus 6 mn. So how do you multiply? Multiply the first term 15 mn with the second bracket 15 kl minus 6 mn. Then take the second term plus 6 KL multiplied by the second bracket 15 KL minus 6 ml. Is the first step correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, then tell me the result. 15 15s are
225
ma'am.
225.
KLMN.
Yeah. KL JKLMN. Yeah. Minus.
90 m square n square, ma'am.
Correct. Next.
Plus 90 m square KL, ma'am.
K
K square L square.
L square. Then
Minus 36 KLMN, ma'am.
KLMN. Yeah. Then what happens? Simplify the like terms.
So 225 minus 36 is 189 mn KL.
36 and how much?
89 mn KL.
Yes, ma'am. True, ma'am.
225 minus 36. Somebody's mic is enabled. Please disable your mic. Yeah. Which are the like terms? 225 KLMN and minus 36 KLMN. 225 189 KLMN. Then minus 90 m square n square plus 90 k square L square. Now, Sanjit said it's wrong, no? False, you said, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Why did you say it's false?
No, I forgot to subtract the like terms, ma'am.
Oh, okay. See, simple ones also can be difficult. See that? Okay, so you left the answer here, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, so you felt it's not the same. Correct. So see, you have learned something. Remember this. So you should always simplify. Very good, very good. Okay, now what about Swati? Got this?
I got the same answer, ma'am.
Very good, yeah. So you must always simplify the like terms. All right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. Do this, children. Do this one. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
True, false?
Second true, ma'am.
True. What about Sanjit?
Doing, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Do it.
Ma'am, it's false, ma'am.
Swati says false.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me work it. Please, both of you check your steps. I'll just work it. So it's into 9y square plus 8x squared. So 9x cubed, the first term, into the second bracket, 9y squared plus 8x squared. And then the second term plus 8y cubed into the second bracket, 9y squared plus 8x squared. So this is 81 x cubed y squared plus 72 x to the power 5, not 6. When you're multiplying, you're adding the powers. How do you multiply? X cubed, and how do you multiply 9x cubed and 8x squared? How do you multiply? 9 into 8, 72. X cubed into x squared. How do you multiply x cubed into x squared? Base are same, it's multiplication. You need to add the powers. So 3 plus 2 is 5. 3 plus 2, 5. Add the powers. Don't multiply the powers. When you're multiplying, you should add the powers. Then plus
False, ma'am.
72 y to the power 5, because 3 plus 2 is 5. Add the powers when you're multiplying. Plus 64 x squared y cubed. Are there any like terms? No. This is the x cubed y squared. That's x squared y cubed. The powers are different.
False, ma'am.
Answer's false. And
What is
because they
wrong?
have given 64x cubed y square, ma'am, but here it's 64x square y cubed.
Correct. Correct. So that term is not matching, so it's false. Correct. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Do D here in this subdivision D. Both of you work D. I hope you're all working. D. Yeah, done. Done, children?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Sorry, sir. Finish, children?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Why is it white? You're still working?
I'm done, ma'am.
Read out, Swati.
Ma'am, h to the power 4.
No, I don't want the final answer. I want the steps.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Ma'am,
it'll be
first
h square into
h square into h square j square plus 4jh minus 1, ma'am.
yeah plus jh into
jh into h square j square plus 4jh minus 1, ma'am.
very good.
Ma'am, and minus 2 into h square j square plus 4jh
1
minus
minute.
1.
H square into h square into h square j square plus 4jh minus 1 plus jh into h j square. No, this is okay. Minus 4 jh minus 1. I've written something. Into h square j square plus 4jh minus 1, then?
I mean minus 2 into h square j square plus 4jh minus 1, ma'am.
Correct. Yeah, now tell me further.
Ma'am, by multiplying we get h to the power 4 j square, ma'am. And then 4j h to the h cube, ma'am.
Very good.
And minus h squared.
Very good.
And then plus j cubed h cubed.
H cube, J cube.
Yes, ma'am. And then plus
Okay.
4h square j square
Correct.
minus hj
Very good.
minus 2h square j square
Correct.
minus 8jh
Correct.
plus 2, ma'am.
Plus 2. Very good. Identify the like terms now.
Ma'am,
He will do it. Sanjit will do that. Yes, Sanjit.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am. Ma'am, there are no like terms, ma'am.
There are no like terms, Sanjit? Okay, no, sir, no like terms.
There are, ma'am. Ma'am, minus 1 h square, minus 2 h square, ma'am. No, no.
Ma'am, may I?
Saying no like terms, no, that's what even I mean. Yeah, okay, tell me, Swati.
Ma'am, 4j square h square and minus 2h square j square are like terms, ma'am.
Correct, correct.
Ma'am, and then minus jh and minus 8jh are like terms,
This
ma'am.
one and this one.
Yes, ma'am, and minus ha minus jh are like terms, ma'am.
Only these two, huh?
Yes, ma'am, these two.
Totally 4 we have marked, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so h to the power 4 j square plus 4
Plus
jh cubed minus h
minus
square
h square
plus h cube j cube
plus plus 2j square h square minus
plus
jh
2
plus 2
j square h square. Okay,
minus hj
minus
9hj
9hj. Correct, hj
plus 2, ma'am.
plus 2. Yes. Correct. Sanjit, any questions?
No, ma'am.
Sure you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'll let you know. So all this multiplication you can manage. Yeah, do this one. Find the product and then you should choose the correct product. You must first find the product for that. Please find the product. Yes. Yes, children, what's taking this long?
Ma'am, it's option C, ma'am.
Option C. What about Sanjit?
1 minute, ma'am.
Sanjit, option C?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So it is so the working is something like this: 8y cubed, sorry, 8xy square into 5xy cubed plus 10xy square. Sorry. 8xy square into 5xy cubed plus 10y square, 10yx square plus 6yx cubed into 5xy cubed. Then plus 10yx square. This is the first step. This will be your first step, multiplying distributive property. Then multiplying inside the brackets. 8 5 is 40. Then x square y to the power 5. X square y to the power 5. Tell me, Swati, next.
Next, we multiply each term, ma'am, like 40 x square y to the power 5 plus 8
80.
80.
plus 80 x cubed and then y cubed, ma'am, plus 30 x to the power 4 and y to the power 4, ma'am, plus 60 y square x to the power 5.
Yes, ma'am. Correct,
How
ma'am.
many terms have you got in all?
Ma'am,
4
4.
terms.
Very good. And when you multiply a binomial with a binomial, you will get 4 terms. Binomial meaning 2 terms. When you multiply a binomial with a binomial, you'll get 4 terms. See, like now, this is a binomial, this is a binomial. You're multiplying them. 2 into 2, 4 terms, you'll get the answer. And then there can be some simplification. That depends. All right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
2 terms into 2 terms, you will get 4 terms. And then you'll have to simplify. If there are like terms, you should simplify further. Yeah. Find the area of the shapes. How will you find the area of the triangle? What's the formula?
I'm half into base into height.
Half into
Base into height, ma'am.
base into height. What's the area of a parallelogram?
Base into height, ma'am.
Ma'am, base
Base
into
into height. Yeah. And the third one, how will you find the area?
And we add the area of square 1 and then square 2, ma'am.
Come again?
Ma'am, we should add all the units, ma'am, and then we should subtract with a square. We should subtract a minus 1 with a square minus 2a plus 1, ma'am. So we will get the answer. So we should add that too, ma'am.
Okay.
So
Is
it's
it right?
area of the smaller shape plus area of the bigger shape.
Correct. Area of the smaller shape plus the area of the bigger shape. Correct. All right, children. So it's time for 3. I think you can just try it at home. See, there are 2 terms here: binomial, trinomial. 2 terms, 3 terms. So totally you'll get 6 terms. Here there are 2 terms and 3 terms here. So again you'll get 6 terms. 2, 3 are 6 terms. Then you must simplify the like terms and leave your answer in the simplest form. Two terms here, 3 terms here, so 6 terms. Again 2 here, 3 here, so 6 terms. And then you must simplify them by calculating their like terms. All right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So next class, you'll take a test on this chapter. That's all in multiplication. That's all in multiplication. So next class, you'll take a test, children. Be prepared. Yeah. So mostly the center will be ready by Friday. The work has happened today, so I don't know how much they've finished, but mostly by Friday it should be ready. So hopefully our next class will be a physical class. Yeah, Sanjit?
Ma'am, I will not come Friday, ma'am.
No, Friday we don't have a class.
Yes,
Our regular classes will be only on Mondays and Wednesdays.
yes, ma'am.
Yeah. I'm just telling you that the center will be ready by Friday. So our next meet will be a physical meet.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, from next class we can have our physical classes.
Yes,
All
ma'am.
right. Okay. All right,
And
Swati
we
and
used to
Sanjit.
have class. And we used to have class on Fridays. ma'am.
No, I've made it. See, like earlier we had 3 classes, 1.5 hours each, right, Swati?
Yes, ma'am.
So then that way you had 4.5 hours a week, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, now I'll make only 2 classes. Each class will be for 2 hours and 15 minutes from 6:15 to 8:30. Monday class will be from 6:15 to 8:30, and or I think one parent suggested, meaning requested 6 to 8:15. So maybe from 6 to 8:15. And Wednesday's class also will be from 6 to 8:15. So that makes 4.5 hours, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So earlier we had 3 classes. Now it will be 2 class. Both it's the same, like 4.5 hours in both the cases.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. All right, children. So that's it for today's session. Thank you so much. Good night. You may leave the call.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.